Hey everyone, welcome to Data Discovery. At this video, we are going to see the concept related to central tendency. Okay, what is the central tendency and what all are the techniques are there related to central tendency? Okay, how we need to deal with the techniques, and then the most important how we need to do in the coding part. That is by using a Python. I will be using the central tendency techniques and everything. So let's get started. So basically, the central tendency plays an important role in statistical analysis. What is this measure of central tendency? Okay, it's a summary measure that attempts to describe a whole set of the data. Okay, what are the techniques are there? In which we used to have a three techniques. That is nothing but mean, median, and mode. What does that mean? Mean is the average of the data set found by adding all numbers together and dividing the sum of the number by the number of number. So what does it mean? So I'll take one small example based on it so that we will be getting a concept. Okay, this is nothing but age of the people. Okay, from the society I took one sample in which this all are the ages, in which one of the people has age 1, age 8, and age 3 to 6. Okay, in which mean it's nothing but to find the average of it, right? So if I need to find the average of it, then what I will be doing, I will be adding all the number on my numerator and dividing by total values. So total values is nothing but one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's nothing but 5 value I have took, in which what will be my mean? Mean will be my, this will be my 10, 13, 14, and 20, right? So 20 divided by 5, it's nothing but my 4. So what is my mean? Mean is nothing but my 4. Okay. So the age that I've took, the sample that I've took, okay, it lies between, can I say 1 to 10? The range, if I will be denoting, it lies between 1 to 10. From the actual age at whatever that I have written, if I will be adding one values, okay, like 50, will my average fails to do it? Will my average affects? Yes, absolutely yes. Because the values that whatever we have written is same, like one the same number that we have written, but only one number that I have added more. Because of that, my mean will affect. So based on what way? So same thing I will be doing it over here. Okay, I'll add each and every number 1832. Why it affects that we will be seeing it over here. 6 plus 50. Okay, already the value is divided by 6. Value is 20. 20 by 20 plus 50 is nothing but my 70. So 70 by 60, 11.1 something like, it's approximate to level. Okay, we'll take as level. Round value we will be taking off, it's of level 11. So if we are adding only one number, okay, it's out of the range. As we have seen that previous, whatever the sample that we had took is lies between 1 to 10. One number, it's out of the box. So because of that, my mean got affected. But if on the same value, if on the same sample, if I will be adding the one number in the range of 1 to 10, then definitely my mean will be not affected. So because of this value, so it can be say in the statistical term it's an outlier. So how to remove this 50? So for that, there we have some more techniques called mean, median, mode. So we have seen the mean. Okay, mean works in some cases, but because of outlier the mean doesn't work. So if my data set has the outlier, then definitely don't use mean. At that moment you need to use some other techniques called median or mode. So based on the median and mode, we will be seeing one example. Now I'll be taking the same example, and by using a median I will be showing it. So what is this median? The median is nothing but the middle number found by ordering all data points and picking out this one in the middle. There are two middle number, taking the median of those two number. Okay, what is that? We will be seeing with the example, then so that the definition part will be also clear. So before starting with the median, we need to sort it out it we need to sort it out in ascending order. So what will be my ascending order? 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. Okay, I will be taking this two example and I will be showing. So what will be my answer? So my answer is, by using a mean, while doing with this example, it's got affected because my mean value is not approximate same to the previous example that I have used. But by using a median, I will be getting the same answer. Same means approximately same. So if I will be getting from first example around 4, over here also we will be getting around 4, 5, 6, something that it will be not it will be not more than that. Okay, so I am using a same sample 1 2 3 6 8. So I have sorted out in ascending order. Before starting with the median, we need to sort it out in ascending order. This is the one of the rule that we need to follow. And then after, we need to count that what will be my total values in a data set. So what is my total? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 is nothing but odd value. So if my n is odd, then pick the n value, pick the middle value, and say that is called as a median. So my median is equal to 3. Okay. So my first case says that my median is equal to 3. Like previously, by using a mean, we got it around. By using a mean, we got it around 4. I think 4 we got it right. So it's almost same, right? And by using a second example also, I will be getting the same answer, almost same we will be getting. Okay, I will be just doing it. First we need to sort it on ascending order: 1 2 3 6 8 and 50. Okay, now we need to find out the n is nothing but values in the data set. So it's around 6. So 6 is odd or even? It's an even. So if it is an even, pick the two values in a data set, two middle values in a data set, and then find the mean. So what will be my mean? It will be 9 by 2. What? 9 by 2 is nothing but 2 fours are 8 and 2 5. So see the values, you can easily see that 3, 4, 4.5. It's, you might see the difference, but it's almost same. So because of the outliers, the median is not affected. Because of outliers, mean is affected. So this is the part that we need to note it out. So if my data set contains the outliers, then don't use mean for imputation, use the median. Okay, this is the part that we need to note it down. Then after, we will be moving to the mode is quite simpler. Okay, we will be seeing it over here. The mode is the value that appears most often in the data set. So if my data set is 1836 3 to 6, right? So if my 6 is repeated twice, okay, then the mode value we will be getting as 6. So there is not certain example that we need to use the mode or median in if there is an outlier. So based on the data set, the condition used to change. Okay. Anyways, we will be describing in our statistical analysis class. So before that, we'll move to a coding part, and we understand what all mean, how to calculate the mean, median mode. Okay, so I will be sharing my notebook in my GitHub repository. You will be getting a link in the description box. Just check it out with it. Okay, anyways, we have came across all the theory part related to a statistical analysis of central tendency like mean, median, mode. Now we will move to the coding part, that by using a Python, I have imputed all the central tendency part like techniques called mean, median, mode. So I have took the same example so that you will be getting a clear concept into it. So let's get started one by one. So first is mean. So what does this mean? A mean is a type of the average value. So average and mean is absolutely same. So while calculating a mean for this example, and I have add only one values over here, 100, but my mean is got affected. Like around in my first case, I got the mean around 4.0, and over here I got 20 because of only one value. So if there is any outliers like this, then definitely the mean is affected. But by using a median, the values is not affected. For that, here's an example. So the median is the middle values in the data set ordered from low to high. That is nothing but in an ascending order. So over here, there are two cases. What are the two cases? One case is, it's like if there is any even value. Okay, if the values is even, then that is one condition. If there is odd, the other condition. If it's odd, then we'll take a middle value and we say that it's a median. But if there is any even values, then we need to add the middle term. That is nothing but we need to add the two middle term, divide by 2. We need to find the average for it. Okay, so based on it, I have took the example, the same example that I have took. but over here it's affected, but over here it's almost same related to mean only. So if there is any outliers, then we need to use the median because mean has got affected. So this part we need to note it out. Like if in your data set, if you find it out any outliers, then don't impute the null values with mean. We need to impute with median or mode or some other techniques. So in the central tendency, anyways, I'm focusing on it. So based on that, I'm saying. Okay, so this is how we need to find it out median. So based on that, I have imputed some of the techniques. And what is the a mode is nothing but a data set can have multiple values that are called as a mode. So in a values that I have took around 11 two times, so based on that I calculated mode. I hope this video find it out so useful, and like this type of the video we will be getting in this data discovery channel. So do like, share and subscribe to data discovery. Thank you.